Alrighty, so we've talked about kinetic energy, and now we're going to talk about gravitational potential energy. So, when we talk about gravitational potential energy in regular physics, it was GPE, and now it is UG. It's the same thing, it's just a more sophisticated symbol. So, gravitational potential energy is something that we're going to measure when we are near the surface of the Earth. And an object is going to have gravitational potential energy depending on how high up it is. So if you're sitting on the ground, I'll say that my gravitational potential energy is 0. And when I'm really high up into the air, I'm going to say that I have a really big gravitational potential energy. So to figure out how to get the equation for it, we're going to think about it in terms of work. So I need to do work to lift this block a height of h. There's my distance of h. And work is equal to force times distance. The force that I need to lift a block of m is going to be equal to the gravitational force, or the weight. So that's mg. And then I multiply that times the distance that I've lifted it, which is the height, and I get mgh. So therefore, my gravitational potential energy is equal to mgh. Now, on your equation sheet, it is mg delta y. Instead of h, they use delta y because it's how far up you've gone. The other equation for gravitational potential energy is this one at the bottom of your screen, which is negative g m1 m2 over r. And that is for two objects that are very far apart. For example, the Earth and the Sun, I could calculate the gravitational potential energy between the two using the bottom equation.